Welcome to my shit show. I'm back on my BS because I am the secret ingredient. Let's get to it. Tropical Julius. Blender. 1 cup of ice. 1 cup frozen pineapple. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/4 cup of sugar. If you don't want sugar, don't add this shit. 1 cup coconut milk. It's about half this can. 2 teaspoons. You don't have to add it. I add it because it makes it creamier and more consistent. Frozen orange juice concentrate. This is homemade. 1/4 cup of it, which would be about 1 of them. Now you blend this shit out of it and we'll be back. Fruits right on top of it. Tropical Julius. But wait, Julius' child is back. Gonna pour that shit right the hell back in the blender because we're missing a special ingredient. We can measure this out for you. Kiss my curvy butt. 1 shot. Oh, but there's more. Original coconut rum. Another kiss my curvy butt. Now you can blend the shit out of it. Perfecto. And you think you can't get any better? It does.